Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Reishi Talon. This powerful mythical weapon is a must-have for many players in Type Soul. To acquire it, you'll need to engage with the game's weapon roll system, often referred to as spins. It's specifically designed for Hakuta users, so ensure your character's build aligns with this requirement before attempting to obtain it. Understanding the process can save you time and effort. The primary method for getting Reishi Talon involves using the in-game weapon roll or spin feature. This process is largely based on chance, so persistence can be key. Some players report obtaining it within a few spins, while others may need more attempts. Remember, this weapon is exclusive to Hakuta users, so having the correct character specialization is crucial for equipping and utilizing it effectively. To maximize your chances, it helps to understand the current pool of Hakuta weapons available through the roll system. While it's largely luck-based, knowing what to expect can manage your efforts. Many players have shared experiences of acquiring Reishi Talon relatively quickly. Once obtained, you'll find it offers distinct advantages, including powerful critical hits and enhanced M1 attack speed, making it a formidable choice. Reishi Talon boasts impressive combat abilities. It features 2 critical hits, a steady ground M1 and a running M1, both capable of block breaking. Beyond its critical attacks, this weapon also makes your normal M1 attacks significantly faster, providing a noticeable edge in combat. It's considered one of the most powerful Hakuta weapons available. For more great tips, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.